Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 keyboard typing backward issue. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Second method is press Ctrl, Left Shift, and Caps Lock keys. Also try press Ctrl, Right Shift, and Caps Lock keys. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Region. Click Administrative tabs, click Change System Locale. Change your language. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Sixth method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, disable all, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.